Got this turban on my head and it ain't staying still. My head just small. My head just small as hell. It just won't nothing stay up. Small it is. Look at this, big it is, bitch.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
What's up, dolls? Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl, Briana Marie. And let me stop with my peanut ass head because I know this shit gonna fall out. Y'all, I didn't give y'all Monday's video and I was so disappointed, y'all. I fell asleep. Oh my god. And the sleep got the best of me. So here is Wednesday video. I am on the road. I cannot stop. I cannot stop. I got some okay pictures. This shirt is not giving. Okay. I didn't do my hair because I wanted to start just wearing these turbans because I just feel like if I just wrap my edges down and put a turban on, it's just so much easier, y'all. But and it's super cute. It's really cute. I feel like my face is snatched, but I just feel like the powder that I used was not, or mixed together was not it today for me. But I don't know. I'm just giving y'all a look, and I hope that y'all enjoy this look. I really love the lip. The lip is just everything to me. I don't know. It's just everything to me. I want to try to get into the look, and I don't want to keep y'all long. Some of these products are mine, and some of these products are from other companies, so it's just not all my products. However, I know y'all want to see how I achieve this new cow look. I'm just call this new cow. If I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, see, you see. So I had to do my eyebrows off camera. This is how they look, y'all. I cannot wait to get them arched. They still look a little big to me. That's because, like I said, my eyebrows are not arched. So whatever. Anyways, we're going to with P. Louise base number 4. I'm gonna put this all over my lid using my 252 as MAC brush. This is what I use to cut my crease. I'm just using this to pat it on the lid and making sure my lid is drying. I'm going to apply some. I'm going to apply double, but I'm not going to show you applying double. I'm just going to apply this one layer, and then off camera I'm going to apply the second layer. Best brush. Best brush. So y'all see my eyes are hooded right here. I got a lid, and all of this is just extra space. But when I look up like that, my eyes tend to fold and increase right there because I have natural creases. So what I do is I like to hold my eyes like this and pat it out and keep my eyes just like that until I'm done with the eye look, pretty much. Pat it out. The brush I like to go in with is a Morphe 506, Morphe 506, a Jaclyn Hill 40 brush, and then they have this Max Lux 319 brush. It's like real defined to get right in that crease. So I'm going to dig into my palette, and I'm going in to my 506 brush from Morphe, and I'm taking this dark brown that's in my palette, y'all. Right here with that. And when I say dark, it's like a dark brown. I'm gonna start right here because I want this look to be defined. Don't worry about if it's like spreaded and it's not a line like you want it. You're fine. Just stay low. Super pretty though. So I'm going to take this Max Luxe brush, and this is a 319, and I'm going to take my like warmer brown, and I'm going to put this right on top of this brown with this brush. I'm gonna come out with some brushes, and just swirling this right on top of that. I think I want to add a darker brown towards this area. Let's see. So y'all know a brown that I always love is this brown right here. So they're going to this palette, but I went in with this like warm shade on top. So I'm applying this on top of my brown, right in between. This is like my favorite. I don't want to find a shade like that. I'm going in with this color out of the Zulu palette, a really dark brown, and then a medium tone brown. Yeah, that's not like warm. I wish I had a color similar to this, but I don't. So. We didn't do this off camera because I had to switch my memory card, but this kind of look came out so bomb. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see it? And so I'm taking my brown liner from my line, Be Fierce Beauty. So basically, with a cow look, you just gotta have a shaky hand. Now, if your hand shaky, this is the best look for you. It's just gonna be this one. It don't matter if you mess up, you know, cause you just create anything at this point. I'm about to go into amber. I feel like one is always higher than the other one. Just like this one, but I would take just that, and it just make them not look higher. I'm taking L'Oreal Full Wear concealer. Powder in a warm beige from Shapeshifter Cosmetics, and then a little bit of Sacha Buttercup. I use for 430 for 50. So I just cut my cheeks like last minute. I love the combination on my cheek, which is the 460 Pro Filt'r foundation powder and then the 8D powder, the two that I showed y'all. So now I'm about to do the blue underneath the eye. I'm going with my makeup plug. This is Pigment Stack, and I'm going with this dark blue. Trying out these blushes that I might add to my collection. I'm gonna put my mascara on the eye, but real quick, I'm just gonna. I can't show y'all the blushes because what I tried is. I don't know. It's pigmented. Okay, so for lips, I'm doing a brown glossy lip. I was gonna do blue, but that's why I had to come off. Because I feel like it was too matchy, like it was matching too much. I like to top it off. I I'll put some gloss. That was my lip liner, and that was my lip gloss and Briana Fenty clear gloss. But I got the names of these gloss. I just don't know about hard. And I'm gonna come right back with the final look, y'all.
Bye bye, y'all.
I cannot wait to get my nails done, get my eyebrows arched, get a wax. I'm just not feeling myself, okay? But I mean, it's nothing. I don't feel like I just ain't feeling myself because you already know me. I come nails, eyebrows arched, so now I gotta keep going over these eyebrows, eyebrow hairs, and y'all know I do not like that. But I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I should have some earrings on, but it just wasn't that. I just want to give y'all this bold look, y'all. And it came out cute to me. It came out really cute. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.